Hi friends, it's Miss Paula with today's craft video. We did superheroes this week at summer camp. So today we're going to make a Captain America shield. The supplies you will need are a paper plate, glue, red and blue construction paper, scissors, a stapler, and a piece of white paper. I just used copy paper. What you will do is cut out a white star. You can kind of fit that to the center of your plate. I folded a piece of red paper in half and just doubled this up to make the handle on the back. Makes it a little bit stronger. And you will need to cut out some red and blue squares. And that's what we're going to use to decorate the shield. Okay, to start, you want to decorate your shield on the bottom of your paper plate. So you'll turn it over like you're going to eat out of it. And on that side, you're going to staple the handle. This is how you hold your shield up. Just staple that to the back of your plate. I might have gone in too close. Okay, so you can see what that looks like. And you can just stick your hand in there, put your thumb outside of it. That helps hold it in place. Or I think the kids said they wear it like this. So that is that. Put your star aside and you will do that last. Okay, the outer part of the shield is red. So what we're going to do is take some of the red squares and start gluing them on. And those will just go around the outside of your plate. You want to press those down. It doesn't take a whole lot of glue. Mine just squirted out, so I have a little too much. But you just want to press those down and make sure they're secure. If it goes over the edge, you can kind of flip it over to the other side of the plate if you need to. Ooh, I have glue everywhere. Okay, and you'll just make a ring around that outer edge. My glue is sticking to me. Okay, I'm only going to do a few and then I'll show you the completed task or project. Now that gives you an idea. You just do that around the outer edge of the plate and then see where this ring is, this crease. We want to leave a white space right there, and we will start the next row of red where that crease is on your plate. I can't see it. There you go. I'll put it right along that line. And that leaves you a white ring to look like the shield. And do one more. Okay, so you have your red, your white, and then your red again. Now, you'll take your blue and you can go up a little bit on the red You want it big enough to put your star in the middle. In the middle of your shield is a blue circle, completely filled in. So there's your red, white, red, and then the blue will be right in the middle, completely filled in. And once you put all of your colors in, you'll put that star right in the center. And I will show you what the completed one looks like. That should give you an idea of how to do the pattern. And then this is what it looks like when it's finished. See how the blue is completely filled in the middle, and then you just put your star on top of it. I think I have it upside down. Alright. So there's where the pattern goes, and this is what it looks like at the end. And that is how you make a Captain America shield. Okay, some people actually use tissue paper on this, but I have more construction paper than I do red and blue tissue paper. So if you would like to use tissue paper, that also works. Otherwise, you can just use the construction paper. I hope everyone's having a wonderful week. And as always, if you're following this on Facebook, the supply pic and the finished picture will be in the comments below the Facebook post. Love you guys. See you soon. Bye.